as Greece sends military equipment to Ukraine. The shipment will include 60 self-propelled 203mm M110A2 howitzers, about 150,000 shells and thousands of Zuni-type rockets in 70mm and 127mm calibres. The transfer will be routed through Czechia under an intergovernmental agreement. The Hellenic National Defense General Staff have classified this equipment as of non-operationally necessary because it no longer meets the requirements of Greece's modern armed forces. The military assets come from ground forces and air force reserves and will be transferred as is. The government expects the deal to generate about €199.4 million, which will be allocated to the purchase of new armaments. The package consists of the following: 60 M110A2 howitzers, €31.2 million, 50 000 M106 shells, €41.5 million. 40,000 M650 Hero shells, €60 million. 30,000 M404 ICM cluster munitions, €33 million. 30 000 M509A1 DP ICM cluster munitions, €33.6 million. More details: each M509A1 shell contains 180 submunitions designed for use against armored vehicles and personnel. While the International Convention on Cluster Munitions bans their use, Greece is not a signatory to it. The final decision on the transfer must be approved by the National Security Council chaired by the Prime Minister. For reference, the M110A2 is an American 203mm self-propelled howitzer, a modernized version of the M110 standard model adopted in the 1960s. The A2 modification features a longer barrel, extending its range. It can fire conventional shells up to 24 km and Hero shells up to 29 to 30 km. Its main advantage is the enormous power of its 203mm ammunition, weighing up to 90.7 kg, capable of causing significant destruction despite a relatively low rate of fire of 1 round per minute. Background: it has been reported recently that some NATO countries are pressuring Greece to also supply Ukraine with Mirage 2005 fighter jets. According to a report by Greek newspaper Kathimerini, NATO members, primarily the United States and France, are pressuring Athens to consider reselling some of its fleet of 24 Mirage 2005 fighter jets, with the ultimate goal of transferring them to Ukraine. In the case of resales, major NATO powers including the US, France, and Germany tend to act as intermediaries. Additionally, Czechia is reportedly serving as a logistical hub, while Estonia has expressed its willingness to facilitate the transfer. Despite the mounting pressure, diplomatic sources cited by Kathimerini say Athens remains opposed to the idea. Greece is reportedly reluctant to risk its advanced military technology being used in direct confrontation with Russia. Since the start of Russia's war in Ukraine, Greece has supplied Ukraine with armored vehicles, missiles, rifles, and also contributed to the training of F-16 fighter jet pilots. However, it has declined Kiev's requests to provide Patriot or S-300 air defense systems. Additionally, Greek government spokesperson Pavlos Marinikis recently stated that Greece will not send troops to Ukraine as part of any future European security guarantees.